Let's make a lemon ginger salty mocktail.
Hey y'all, welcome to the Wild Garden Farms kitchen. Let's cook with some herbs. Today we are making a lemon ginger salty mocktail. It's looking like spring, the dandelions are out, the daffodils are up, the buttercups are out, and it's still a little bit chilly, especially in the mornings, and I'm really needing an afternoon pick-me-up lately. So I am making this beverage that is sparkly, it is warming with the ginger, and actually I've got a cup of ginger that I just sliced that's been boiling. I'm gonna put the lid on and turn it off. It's cooling with the lemon and a little bit of peppermint. So it's really perfect for this bridge between winter and spring. We've got the warming effect, we've got the cooling effect, and they kind of cancel each other out. So it's this very delicious and sparkly, nourishing beverage. So like I said, I chopped a cup of fresh ginger. I didn't even peel it, I just washed it, chopped a cup, put it in the pot, put 6 cups of water in there, brought it to boiling, and I turned it off, and we're just gonna let it steep for about half an hour. So while that is steeping, we're gonna prep the other ingredients. It's really pretty simple. Here's what it is: lemon juice, honey, salt, gotta have the salty, all those minerals from the salt, make sure you're getting a good brand, and apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna put these into a mason jar. So I've already juiced this morning half a cup of lemon juice. So I'm just gonna strain this out into a mason jar. Half a cup of lemon juice is about 3 to 4 lemons, depending on how juicy they are. Lemon is brightening. It's got loads of vitamin C. It's really good for your liver. Then we're gonna do a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. This is gonna be kind of like an oxymel, one of those sweet and sour, delicious treats. And you want to get raw apple cider vinegar that has the mother still in there with all that beneficial bacteria in it. It's good for digestion, it's good for your immune system, it's good again to kind of flush things out, but not in an aggressive way, in a gentle way. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of honey. So I'm just gonna guesstimate that this is about a 1/4 cup. And we know how beneficial honey is for everything. And it's just tasty too, so I don't know. I'm really on a honey kick right now. And here's a little tip and trick. When you're finished with your honey jar, put a little bit of hot water in there, swirl it around, and pour that in your tea. And you're not wasting any, and you're getting some good sweetener for your next cup of tea. Good honey is so different than not good honey. Local honey is good for allergies too. So this is another reason why I like to include it this time of year. Now, this is a salty lemon ginger mocktail. We want to get, like I said earlier, those minerals from the salt, so make sure you're getting a good salt, Himalayan salt, Celtic sea salt. I'm putting a 1/4 teaspoon in there. That's it for now. So the ginger is steeping into this water. It's gonna be really warm and spicy and delicious. And then we have mixed in here the lemon juice, the apple cider vinegar, and the honey and the salt for brightness and freshness. Now I didn't mention this earlier, but if you wanna add mint to the pot with the ginger, so make like a ginger mint infusion, that would be a great time to add it in. I'm gonna use my mint as a little decoration just to get a light mint essence in here. And I'm just gonna let this sit in the jar while our ginger finishes infusing. All right, it's been 30 minutes. If I had more time, which I don't right now, but if I did, I would probably let this cool all the way. But I'm in a time crunch, so I'm gonna strain it out and make our drink, and I really want some of this drink right now. See, it's still steaming even after 30 minutes. This drink is wonderful for digestion. It's gonna give you energy, the ginger and the lemon and the apple cider vinegar and the mint, if you decide to include it. It's good for nausea. It's great to help you digest your foods if you've had some heavier foods or you're having a little bit of indigestion. So I'm just gonna strain this tea, this ginger tea, into my pitcher. You can do it into another mason jar or whatever you have. I just have really been wanting to use this pitcher. It's so pretty. The good thing about this tea still being warm is that this lemon, apple cider vinegar, honey, salt mix is gonna blend in really nicely. See how the honey just incorporated into the liquid? All right, so I'm gonna give this a stir. I've got my fun and fancy glass. I'm gonna put some ice cubes in there since it's still a little bit warm. And I'm gonna fill this up, and the rest I'm gonna fill with sparkling water, but it is up to you how strong you want your drink. I love that sound. Now I'm gonna garnish with a sprig of mint. Look how pretty that is. It's not too overpowering, but you can definitely taste the kick from the ginger. You can feel the cooling of the lemon. This is such a good drink for this time of year. A little bit warming, a little bit cooling, cancels each other out. So it's a very refreshing drink. Gives you energy and boosts your mood too, especially if you do the peppermint in there. All right, well, I'm not gonna make y'all sit here and watch me drink this entire drink. So go make you some, have fun, and cheers.